In the other video, I said that you could put this thing in the oven for a certain amount of time. Now, this is nuanced. In the high-tech industry, every component that gets treated with, I would say, chemicals or any kind of fluids, they get absorbed by the materials. So if you're looking at metals and lasers, for example, you don't want any humidity causing any problems inside the modules itself. So here you can see that we've got a bunch of components in there, and they're all rated technically to 50 degrees Celsius. We heat all of these components, inclusive of cables, like up to 80 degrees in the oven, sometimes 8, sometimes 12 hours. So like a complete module like this will just be baked out in an oven. They call it bake out. Here we've got different materials, so it's a little bit more nuanced. You can't just say stick it in the oven, 50 degrees, this, that. So on a low temperature for a longer time, you should be able to take out any of the water molecules from your device. If you have any problems with that, then that's the way to go. If you really introduce a lot of liquids, I would definitely consider that, especially with these high precision components. Also due to oxidation rates, because it's going to get pretty hot in there inside. As most laser people may know, you can get fires inside your laser machine. Something to keep in mind: do your research. Well, we do our research, obviously. We come from a different sector than majority of the printing people, so maybe the advice is a little bit different to what most printer people would say, or repair people. Anyway, if you're thinking also about the plastics and stuff, they're all graded to like 80 degrees. The things that you have to be concerned about are stickers and that kind of stuff. They could sometimes be removed with heat, but we don't really care that much about warranty or any other kind of thing. We've taken pictures of it, we know the serial numbers and everything else. So yeah, that's a good way to make sure that your device doesn't contain any extra humidity. A quick oven treatment. We do it with filaments in the 3D printing world as well, so it's not a crazy concept. Just keep in mind, do it safe and do it smart.